Shalom, good morning, blessings in Jesus. I wanted to share something about the cicadas. That's how you pronounce in my tradition, cicada. So these are the bugs that it says here in the coming months, certain states will experience a rare natural event that hasn't occurred in over 200 years: the emergence of two separate broods of cicadas. After 13 years, that's a long time. Brood XIX is set to emerge in the spring of 2024 in 14 states across the Southwest and Midwest, and the 17-year-old brood, XIII, will emerge in 5 Midwestern states around the same time, according to Cicada Mania. So, what Abba Father has showed me concerning the cicada, what do they do? Let's observe what they do. They're dormant in the ground for many, many years, eating, nourishing. They're in a different form, in a form that is useful for their environment. They're traveling around, eating roots, getting nourishment. And then once the temperature changes, that's a signal for them to arise out of the ground. When they arise out of the ground, brothers and sisters, they don't eat. Their sole purpose for the males is to come up, and what do? They sound their noise, the very annoying sounding the noise to alert their mate, to attract their mate. This is what Abba Father has shown me about. Let's watch nature and learn what our Heavenly Father of Lights is showing us regarding the cicadas in 2024. It's a sign. The cicadas, the male cicada comes out of the ground after nourishing and eating, changes into a completely different form of being, grows wings. It's a miracle in itself what these creatures do. But not only do they do that, they also change into, they get wings and they can fly away from something that is in the ground and hidden, which keeps them protected from predators. They're eating, nourishing underneath the ground, irrigating the earth. They come out, they transform with their wings into a different being that doesn't eat. So they're not going to be eating. They're going to be looking for their bride. They're going to be looking for their mate. So they're going to make this noise to attract. They do this dance. And when they find, they're sounding the alarm for their mate to come. The female cicada, she does something like a clicking. So she doesn't do the same sound. She just does a soft sound. But she still is aware that she needs to make that sound to attract, or just to say, hey, I'm here. So male husband cicada is doing a loud sound, hey, whatever it is. It's very loud and annoying. And that attracts the female. And what do? As soon as the female comes to the male cicada, the male cicada changes his song, and they become one. They procreate. They start doing the action of procreation again. So I just wanted to, many people are out there saying, oh, this is a plague. No, it's not. It's a sign from our Heavenly Father. The cicada comes out after nourishing, after a long, long period of time of dormancy. That transformation into a new creation, miraculous creation in it itself. Then starts making this noise. I need my bride. I need my bride. Alerting the female cicada to come. This is what the Lord has shown me in his creation. Okay, shalom. Hope you see it too. Shalom.